This could either freak you out or get you really excited. It is very small, eco-friendly, and cheap to build. Get ready to fly in an all-electric, fully autopiloted helicopter. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Austrian startup FlyNow Aviation is developing an autopiloted, fully electric helicopter that it plans to have in commercial production by 2026. FlyNow's eCopter is driven by a coaxial electric drivetrain that incorporates two counter-rotating propellers. Because it only has two rotors instead of the four commonly found on flying taxis that are in development, FlyNow hopes that getting the helicopter certified will be a smoother process. Fewer moving parts and a smaller body mean that this copter could be cheaper to produce, easier to build, and have very good range. FlyNow plans to offer copters in 3 different builds for single passengers, 2 passengers, and cargo exclusively. FlyNow has built a proof of concept model and conducted ground tests, but we're still waiting on a flying prototype. The company estimates that each version of the eCopter will have a flight range of about 31 miles and can cruise at 81 miles an hour with a payload capacity of 441 pounds. If predictions are right, FlyNow believes you should be able to use their air taxis for the same cost as those you already pay for on the ground. Are you ready to climb aboard an electric helicopter with no pilot? Me neither. More crazy tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Sign up for free with a little red button there.